In this video, we'll walk you through the key stages of servo motor repair. Before starting the disassembly of a servo motor, we check all key parameters. We begin with measuring the winding resistance. Next, we assess the condition of the insulation and verify the measurement transducer, documenting each step in a detailed report. Disassembling a servo motor is a challenging process that requires precision and experience. The transducer is delicate and can be easily damaged, which is why a professional approach is crucial. The experience and skills of our employees ensure the highest care in every repair. After disassembling the motor, we move on to cleaning, drying, and impregnating the winding. In servo motors, dust and grease often accumulate over time, so it's important to thoroughly clean all dirty parts before starting the repair. In our company, we use biological washers. With the help of microorganisms, we significantly reduce solvent usage while protecting the environment and caring for the health of our employees. This way, we combine efficiency with environmental care, offering our clients the best possible services. The next steps depend on the scope of the repair. In this case, it involves replacing the bearings. We have the tools to handle all types of servo motors, both small and large. A worn-out bearing can cause increased resistance, vibration, noise, and friction, which generates heat. Therefore, regular bearing replacement is crucial. We replace bearings using specialized tools for removal and installation, or by heating the bearings to 110 degrees Celsius. This expansion allows for precise installation. We adhere to procedures and use bearings from reputable manufacturers, ensuring the long lifespan of your equipment. We proceed to balancing the rotor. We start the entire process with professional and very precise measurements, then place the rotor in the testing device and measure it again. In the next step, we set the tachometer so that the machine can read the rotor's revolutions. We close the safety cover and begin initial testing of the device. During this time, we measure the appropriate amount of two-component material for the weight. The machine precisely identifies the spot where the weight needs to be placed. The material is manually shaped, like plasticine, and then, after preparing the surface, we carefully attach the weight to the designated spot. The final step is the last test, which ensures that the rotor is perfectly balanced. We repair engines ranging from small 100-watt models to larger industrial units, rated up to 100 kilowatts. Our specialists work with the highest precision, even on large and heavy engines, using professional equipment. Regardless of the size, you can count on our professional service and a 2-year warranty. Painting the device is not just about aesthetics. It also protects the housing from corrosion, which is crucial in challenging working conditions, where motors are exposed to chemicals and other corrosion-inducing factors. The final step in the repair process is testing the motor. We operate a comprehensive and advanced testing facility that allows us to test servo motors from most well-known manufacturers. Our specialist securely mounts the engine, connects it to the test stand, and conducts detailed tests. Professionalism, precision, and safety are our top priorities. Each servo motor undergoes thorough testing to meet the highest quality standards. We encourage you to follow our social media and subscribe to our channel.